You're not growing. Your videos are sinking into the pit of YouTube doom. Ignored, forgotten, buried. Sound familiar? Let's fix it. Here's why this happens. Your content lacks the one thing YouTube rewards: strategy. Without it, even great videos will fail. Bad thumbnails, weak intros, random uploads, these are the silent killers of your channel. Here's how to get out of the YouTube pit of doom. Thumbnails. Make them unmissable. Contrasting colors, clear, bold, and focused on one message. This is how I easily make YouTube thumbnails that get clicks. Grab my powerful ChatGPT prompt from the description. Just copy, paste it into ChatGPT, add your video title, and watch it generate a high-impact thumbnail idea in seconds. Just try it. Here's a secret tip most creators don't know. Want your images to look more realistic? Head over to Google Image Fix. It's completely free. I've dropped the link in the description. Try it now before everyone else catches on. The hook? Your first 5 seconds must demand attention. No fluff, just value. Consistency. Show up for your audience every week, same day, same time. It's not just the algorithm, it's about human psychology. Give people what they want to watch, and YouTube will reward you. Trends. They can blow up your channels in a matter of seconds, but they demand immediately attention and action. Use Google Trends or the media to see what people are talking about right now. Quickly make a video about it. If you're the first, it doesn't matter the quality of the video. If you're not the first, then you have to stand out from the crowd. Evergreen content. These are the topic that will never fade into the abyss of our minds. These are topic that people always search for. In tech, this can be how to fix an issue or how to avoid an issue. Big point. Always, and I mean always, fix a problem for your audience. This can't be stressed enough. Up next, the truth YouTube doesn't want you to know. What the algorithm actually sees, what it can't detect, and how you can exploit it to grow faster than ever. Don't miss this. It could change your channel forever.